Helps if I move the mic closer. Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 20th of August, 2021. Happy Friday, everybody. Hope your week has gone well for you so far. Taking a look at Cardano, we've had a new all-time high close. And just like I was talking about in my last analysis, and we've had a new all-time high made. So the prior all-time high was over at 251, and we had a new higher high at 266. Nice moves. We've been up more than 4% at one point. Now we're only up 1.33%, and it looks like a fairly bearish looking candlestick, but at the same time, it's not too bad. So some levels to watch as we go into the weekend are around here. First, you'll see that there's a pretty sizable gap between where we're at in the Tenkan Sen. And one of the things that we know about the Ichimoku system is that the close or the current candlestick doesn't like to be far away from the Tenkan Sen. They like to move around together, and they don't like to be very far away. Then when we look at the Kijun Sen, there's a gap, but not a monstrous one. If we do get a pullback, then I would expect it to come down to that 192 zone, because that's where the Kijun Sen and the 618 retracement are located. But looking ahead, pay attention to these levels over here, down below. There's a shoulder forming on the RSI right at the first overbought level, at level 80. And that could turn into a head and shoulder pattern, which is kind of ugly. Additionally, we could kind of get like almost like a fake out long signal on the composite index if the composite index fails to cross above both of its averages here. And that'll add to the bearishness, near-term bearishness, or selling pressure if the composite index moves back down below 0.8. There are some date ranges here that are important to pay attention to. The first is the cycle drawn from the prior all-time high. The 90 to 99-day Gann cycle ends on the 23rd. Now, in Gann analysis, there's several cycles of the inner year, and the 90-day cycle is the most powerful and the most important. Gann wrote that, to pay attention to 90 days after any important high or low, because if it's 90 days from important high or low and you have a new high or low found around that zone, it's likely to be a turning point in the market. So what I'm saying is around August 23rd, so basically between now and then, we could see a pretty deep retracement. Now, when we look forward from that, we get to August 31st, which is where the Kumo twist is, and we get to September 3rd. September 3rd is the 144-day cycle. That is a very, very strong reversal cycle. And the Kumo twist is often an area where we see major and minor market highs and lows. So what I'm saying is if Cardano is trading higher all the way till the 23rd, if we get a sell-off, it may be a deep one. It might drive down all the way. But if the selling continues starting around the 23rd and it goes all the way to September 3rd, that we may find the bottom of the market around September 3rd before we start to rally higher. So just watch out for that. Other than that, those are the levels and time cycles I see for Cardano. It's got some pretty nice moves, and we should have a lot of opportunity next week. Hope you guys' weeks have all gone well for you. From all here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.